So guys, can you see me? But how can you see me? Yes, because of our eyes. But did you know how the image forms in our eyes? So let's know in this video. But guys, for understanding the concept of how does the image form in our eye, first we have to understand the parts of eye. So let's know it. Now let's understand the mechanism of seeing. All the different parts of your eyes work together to help you see. First, light passes through the cornea, the clear front layer of the eye. The cornea is shaped like a dome and bends light to help the eye focus. Some of this light enters the eye through an opening called the pupil. The iris means colored part of the eye which controls how much light the pupil lets in. Next, light passes through the lens, a clear inner part of the eye. The lens works together with the cornea to focus light correctly on the retina. When light hits the retina, a light sensitive layer of tissue at the back of the eye, special cells called photoreceptors, turns the light into electrical signals. Then these electrical signals travel from the retina through the optic nerve to the brain. Then the brain turns the signal into the images you see. So guys, I hope that you understand the concept of how we can see, and I know that you will subscribe our channel because you want to increase your knowledge. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.